Government for the Juma was say, oh yeah. Nah, yeah, so yeah, where Juma was say, yeah.
That a lot of women are not able to access loans to shore up their businesses.
Women are the most marginalized when it comes to access to loans.
Look, I think you'd love this guy if you just took a look at it.
Believe me, there are a lot of good teachers out there.
I mean, this guy is an Ivy League educated gentleman.
Anytime you meet someone who seems to have an issue, you go like, here, this is my card. Don't hesitate to call.
Just one penny me share a gun in my yen. Nemo me do about what ya. Woman can cania and you could have ever chama yen.
He failed miserably.
How did that come about?
It doesn't take how handsome or educated the political actor is to become a star.
Now we're willing to offer the loan at 12% per annum.
I'm incorruptible.
Listen, everybody, everyone has a price.
Darling, you need to stay the course.
We are going to apply force, coercion, and blackmail.